Welcome to our Compact Dryer Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular options for small spaces, the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 and the Euhomy Compact Dryer. Both of these dryers are designed to fit into tight areas while providing efficient drying capabilities. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to drying capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 can handle up to 8.8 pounds of wet clothes, while the Euhomy Compact Dryer offers a slightly larger capacity of 10.5 pounds. This makes the Euhomy a better option for those who need to dry larger loads in one go, although the BLACK+DECKER is still quite capable for smaller loads. In terms of power, the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 boasts a robust 1,400 watts, which can lead to faster drying times compared to the Euhomy's 1,020 watts. If speed is a priority for you, the BLACK+DECKER may be the better choice, but keep in mind that the Euhomy still provides efficient drying for its size. Price is another important factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER BCED26 is priced at $309, while the Euhomy Compact Dryer is more budget-friendly at $239. If you're looking for a more affordable option without sacrificing too much in terms of features, the Euhomy is a compelling choice. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 and the Euhomy Compact Dryer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a larger capacity and faster drying times, the BLACK+DECKER is a solid option. However, if you prefer a more compact and affordable dryer with a variety of drying modes, the Euhomy is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like